Un aplauso para mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
Okay, so this wasn't planned, but I have a package. It's a tripod. I got this on TikTok. So let's open this up. Yeah. We've got a cable, a pouch, and these are the magnetic stickers for the phones to mount it on. This is the tripod. Yeah, and that's the most it expands to. It's not bad. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, when you hold it like this, it's good, but I'm not so sure because when I first saw it, for me, the buying point was this, but apparently if you can see this, you cannot. This isn't designed for Pro Max phones. And also, there's this small shutter key. You can just tap it and I hope this works. I thought this would actually be like a camera, so that's why I bought it. I might use it, I might not. I have to test it for a while and then I'll come to a conclusion. So apparently I'm stepping out at the perfect time. Let's go get the essentials.
హాఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ అంటే హాఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్. ముందు నువ్వు పూర్తిగా నిక్కచ్చిగాడు.
Okay, yeah. I'm also in one of those waiting phases right now. Well, nothing good, nothing bad. I'm just waiting right now, honestly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's the next day, and this is how it looks. I just made some hot chocolate, and that's it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.